The most optimistic estimate for a vaccine would be a minimum of 1 year from today.
Tonight, Ohio's race to find a COVID-19 cure. We take you inside the state's role in the future scientific breakthrough. From new treatment options for patients already infected to other Ohioans working toward testing and even a vaccine. Tonight, News Center 7's Molly Koick takes us to the Buckeye State battle in the fight to conquer COVID-19.
Inside Dayton's Community Blood Center. COVID-19 survivors like Oakwood police officer Steve Norris are hoping donating their plasma will help others fighting COVID-19 also survive.
There's lots of people who are really sick, and so if this is a treatment that might be helpful, why not?
That treatment is part of the Mayo Clinic's convalescent plasma study. Researchers are seeing if sick COVID-19 patients can heal from plasma separated from recovered patients' blood. The Community Blood Center was the state's first site. 21-year-old Mondel Mongel was the first to donate his plasma.
To me, it's the right thing to do, and you just gotta hope for the best outcome.
Premier Health was the first in the country to treat a patient using the protocol.
Unfortunately, it's very preliminary.
Kettering Health Network and Reed Health in Richmond are all taking part. Kettering infectious disease specialist Dr. Jeffrey Weinstein says plasma is key because it has virus-fighting proteins.
Variety of antibodies that a patient's own immune system has developed. And that pretty much happens after you've been exposed either to a vaccine or, in this case, to an infectious agent.
And antibodies, it turns out, are also part of Ohio's search for a vaccine. A spokesperson for Ohio State's Infectious Diseases Institute confirmed to News Center 7 vaccine researchers are trying to figure out how to make antibodies target COVID-19 proteins so the immune system could stop those proteins from destroying cells.
The challenge is always, making sure that you get enough of an immune response to that protein.
Everybody wants to know, when is the vaccine coming?
So I know that's the million-dollar question. The most optimistic estimate for a vaccine would be a minimum of 1 year from today. And the reason for that amount of time is that we have to ensure not only that it works, but that it is safe.
Wright State University's Dr. Dawn Woolley has spent her career studying viruses. She said right now, all researchers have to make sure a vaccine would not spread more infection or cause patients' bodies to react against themselves.
So we want to avoid those scenarios because that would make the whole COVID pandemic much worse than it already is.
But she said the medical community cannot count on vaccine development.
We hope it will be sooner than later, but we have to prepare for the worst, and that would be that we don't have a vaccine quickly or that we may never have a successful vaccine. In that case, we can rely on the antiviral treatments.
Or other treatments, like the clinical trials. Troy respiratory therapist Amy DeVos credits one for saving her life.
I'm just thankful every day that I'm here.
Creating more days for more Ohioans. The objective of researchers trying to conquer COVID-19. Molly Koick, News Center 7.
Live right now on our streaming app, WHIO TV Now, you can watch Molly Koick's extended interview with Dr. Woolley about why COVID-19 is so contagious and so deadly. The app is a free download on your Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and Smart TV App Store.